Bottle. You just give me the bottle. I can't give you the bottle. You want the bottle? I'll give you the bottle.
No.
Ow. This is so hard to open with one hand. Hold on.
I said don't open it.
You want the bottle? Chug. You want the bottle? Oh, you don't want the bottle. You don't want the bottle, do ya? Oh God, what was that?
Where's your phone?
Beep. No, my phone doesn't go boo-doop.
Beep beep.
Bye.
Coffee.
Okay.
Coffee.
You want your bottle now? No, he's bending me pinky. Okay, stop, never mind. Aw, don't cry. You want your bottle now? Hold on, I'll give you your bottle.
No, I don't want it.
You want your auto now? Huh, do you? Want your auto? Huh?
Shit's $13.
No.
You better not lose it.
Hmm?